Do you like traveling? Yes, of course you do. You can see interesting countries and try the national cuisine. It's great. While traveling, we sometimes face unpleasant situations. The most typical is the disappearance of our things. Gosh, what an unpleasant situation. How can we solve it? Let's try contacting a lost and found office to find out where our property is. Our heroes are on their holidays. The whole family decided to go on a trip to the sea. Mum, Dad, and Tom packed their clothes in suitcases. The family is going to the sea by plane, so the whole family has gone to the airport. It's such a large place, it's easy to get lost. What happened? Why is Tom so sad? Tom can't find his suitcase. What should he do? He should go to the Lost and Found office. There's one at every airport. Look at this sign. There it is. Come on, let's go there and get the suitcase back. How do we do that? First, let's learn some new words that will be useful to us. Lost property. Report. Familiar. Check. Look inside. Incident. Look like. Luggage. Office worker. Describe. Now let's find out how we can use these words. Excuse me, is this the lost property office? Yes, what can I do for you? I lost my suitcase and I would like to report it. Where did you leave it? I think I left it in the waiting room. What does it look like? It's a small plastic suitcase on wheels. What color is it? It's blue. Does it have a handle? Yes, it does. What was in it? Some clothes and my tennis shoes. Okay, I have some suitcases over here. Do any of these look familiar? Yes, mine is the one on the corner. Let's have a look inside to check. A couple of t-shirts and your shoes. Here you are. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Our heroes are glad that Tom's suitcase has been found. It turns out that you only need to contact the lost property office to get your lost items back. We wish our heroes a pleasant journey. And now, let's work on trying to create a dialogue with a worker at a lost property office.